Okay, I just opened up Manuscript, as you can see right here, in as an open source program. This, my little exploration of Manuscript is not going to be technical and it's not going to be in depth. It's just me getting to know it and recording it and sharing it with you. Let me turn on my timer here. And maybe we can both learn something about it together. So let's pick a novella. And the default is 10 chapters with 5 scenes, 500 words each, for a total of, oh, why the commas here, but anyway, 25,000 words. We go to novel, it jumps up to 20 chapters, empty fiction, nothing. Short story, it comes to 10,000. If you have a trilogy, it's going to be 3 books, of course, and we're up to 225,000 words or 900 pages. Empty research is like such. Oh, okay, a research paper is going to give us this much. A demo project is here, and a book of facts. Now, this is the demo, and it shows us that here's Jerusalem. Jerusalem has 7 chapters. Chapter 1 has 3 parts. Introduction, Jesus is taken to heaven, and Matthias is chosen to replace Judas. And this is typed in here, and we got the same thing. I'm happy somebody did this. So it looks pretty good. Now I've used the Bisco. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that one. I've used that one, and it's right here, the Bisco, and we'll open it up, and it looks like this. Okay. Now Bibisco is a little bit different, and I kind of sort of like Manuscript a little bit better. Maybe because it looks better, maybe because of I haven't really, worked with either one a whole lot, but I have toyed around with them a little bit. Okay, and this one, it looks a little bit better, but that could just be because I don't know what I'm doing yet. General summary, is your summary of what's going on. General, the title, public domain, your chapters. It's got a similar stuff in Bibisco. What is this? This is your world, right? Places, culture, your travel. This is going to be your outline here, and it tells you right here how many. So you can't move this stuff, can you? No. All right. And this one gives you your edit, so you can go in and you can edit "You Are My Son" and NOT. Okay, so you can edit. All right, so that's basically just the introduction. Running through this a little bit, it seems like most of the things up here are similar to what always on all kinds of programs, open source and otherwise. Now, this is just, like I said, a brief touch. I made some information about Babisco before, and I didn't think it turned out so well, so I kind of got rid of it. So let's go with a novella here. We're going to, I don't think we have a recent one. Oh, we do, but we're not going to open that one because I'm working on that now. So we're open. Oh, we'll create a new one. Create a new one. And the project, what are we going to call it? We going astray, S-T-R-A-Y. Yeah, I'm going to save it. And here we go, going astray. Won't worry about any of that. We'll put our name in here. Email, I don't care if you know my email. Alright, so that takes care of that. Summary, what if a married man goes astray with another man? There we go. That ought to wipe things up. Joe is happily married until one day he meets John at the gym. Okay. And then we'll go to the next one. And this is pretty much this, so we copy it over here. Where John takes a fancy to Joe and they have a rendezvous. I can't spell rendezvous. I can almost visualize it. They have a tryst in the steam room. This is not going to be for young people, that's for sure. Okay, and our main characters, we got, let's see, how do we do this again? Character, main character. This always seems to cause me grief. Main character, I hit the enter key, it doesn't work. Characters, open, not very intuitive for me, that's for sure. New character, what's his name? Joe is the married guy, right? And we're gonna add another, can we add another main character here? New character, and he's going to be Joe. Did I say John? Let's go back to the summary. Joe and John, okay. Joe and John. Secondary characters, we'll call her Beth. She's the wife, Beth. Summary, we'll just put Joe's wife. Alright. We need a secondary character and we'll call him let's see, Robert. Okay, Robert, and notes. He's going to be John's significant other. Okay. Did I get this right? Okay, there's my beat. So we'll come back and we'll work some more on the next video. Okay, and I hope this is of a little use to you. I'm not sure. As I said, we'll just kind of muddle through it together on a Saturday afternoon.